In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw curves with polylines in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to create smooth, continuous curved paths while keeping everything as a single, easy-to-manage object. We'll begin right at the command line. Type Pline and press Enter. The polyline command is perfect because it lets you build an entire path, straight or curved, as one object, which makes it much easier to move, offset, or modify later without juggling separate segments. Next, click your first point in the drawing area. This sets the starting location for your curved path. Take a moment to choose a logical spot, like the beginning of a road center line, an edge of a landscape bed, or the start of a mechanical feature. Good planning here helps the rest of your curve unfold cleanly, because each subsequent point will influence the bend and flow of the arc that follows. Now, switch to arc mode. Type arc and press Enter. The command stays in polyline, but from this point on, each new segment you add will be an arc rather than a straight line. This is where the magic happens. As you move your cursor and click to place the next point, AutoCAD builds a smooth curve that transitions naturally from the previous segment. You'll see a live preview as you hover, so take your time and position the cursor so the curve bends the way you want before you click. Continue placing points to keep building your curved path. Each click defines the next target point, and AutoCAD calculates the arc between them, giving you a fluid sequence of curves that all belong to one polyline. If you want tighter bends, place points closer together. For gentler sweeps, spread them out. Consistency and spacing can help maintain a uniform, professional look, especially on long runs. As you work, keep an eye on alignment cues in your drawing so curves flow logically around corners, through intersections, or along design contours. Precision tools like object snaps and tracking, if you already use them in your normal workflow, can help you land points exactly where they need to go without interrupting the curve building process. That's all there is to it. By starting the polyline command, setting your first point, and switching to arc mode, you can continue drawing the polyline entirely in arcs, creating clean, continuous geometry that's easy to manage and looks great in plans, details, and presentation drawings. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.